So the day is finally here, guys. I asked you if you were interested in having a giveaway for those old Dollar Tree calendars, and you guys said yes. So today's video is all about calendar DIYs and a giveaway. So stay tuned so you can find out how to enter for some of those older but fun Dollar Tree calendars. So I'm going to be using the Enjoy the Little Things calendar from the Dollar Tree. I'm only using the back of it. So I'm going to cut out all of the little squares and then I'm going to move on to the next part. So I'm using these tumbling tower blocks and this wood glue that I also got from the Dollar Tree. The wood glue is over in the crafter square and I definitely recommend picking this up. It was super easy to use. It dried really fast and I really liked how the product ended up turning out. So definitely a plus. So once I get these 3 blocks glued together, I do let it dry for maybe an hour before I go back to do the rest of the DIY. So I'm going to take one of the squares and I'm going to lay it down. The tumbling tower blocks end up being slightly smaller than the cutout, so I go ahead and trace around that because I don't want that to hang out over the blocks, and I felt like 4 blocks was too much because you get a lot of excess block showing. So once I trim that up, I'm going to use some Mod Podge and I'm going to glue it onto the blocks. So I did pick my Mod Podge up from the Dollar Tree, but you can get it cheaper at Walmart or Amazon in the bigger containers, and I'll list a link down in my description box for the Amazon link. Once I put my Mod Podge on, I'm going to glue the image on there, and then I do go ahead and put Mod Podge over the top to give it a good seal. We are going to attach a magnet to the back that I got from the Crafter Square area. I think these turn out so cute. They would make a super great gift for a Secret Santa or something like that, but they're super adorable. So I'm super excited to have this video today. I asked you guys in my community tab if you were wanting to win any of the older Dollar Tree calendars because for some reason I hoarded some. I had a bunch from last year. I don't know, I kind of lucked out when they came out. Didn't even realize they were a thing until I had bought a few, and then they became super popular. So I ended up with so many. That's beside the point. I'm here to give them away to you guys, and you guys said that you were super excited to win one. You still couldn't find any, and that makes my heart happy that I am able to give back to you. So check out up here how to win, and I just wanted to show you just a few of the calendars I'm giving away. All the information is listed above and in my description box, so you'll know exactly how many I am giving away. And I just wanted to show you, so I had several of these farmers market calendars. I'm going to be giving those away. I also had a few of these Simply Blessed calendars. I had quite a few of these Be Brave calendars, and then I thought I'd throw in this year's calendars as well, because chances are if you didn't find last year's, you probably didn't find this year's. So I have a few of these, and I think only one of this one, but I also have a couple, I think, of the farmhouse calendar and maybe one other. I didn't buy quite as many calendars this year as I did last year, just in hopes that somebody would get a chance to get one in the store. So let's jump back to the video and check out the rest of the projects. This project is using the same steps that we used in the first project. We went ahead and cut out the piece and then we glued the blocks together with our wood glue. Now we're just attaching it to the front of the block. So we're making a Christmas ornament here. So I did go ahead and use the December image. However, I think Christmas ornaments can be any image. So if you don't want to do the Christmas one, I buy Christmas ornaments all the time that aren't Christmas. So I went ahead and showed you that you can use your sanding block here as well. So if you don't want to trace around and cut it, you can go ahead, glue it on, use your sanding block, and it will come off just as good as it would if you cut it. So once I get all of the edges sanded off, I'm just going to take some twine and glue it down to the back of it, so that way we have our hanger for the Christmas tree. So I didn't want to just leave the exposed twine in the back, so I took a bead that I picked up from Amazon, and these are half beads, so I'm just going to glue it over the part that I glued the hanger on to give it more of like a high-end kind of feel there, and then this project is complete.
Dreamed about nothing else other than you. I always thought I'd be waiting in vain.
So this is more of a hack than a DIY, but I took one of those frames from the Dollar Tree, and with the remaining little pieces left that I had cut out from the back, I'm going to just attach them here to the frame. So this would be a super cute desk sitter because you could change them out. If you wanted to just put one here, you could, but I thought this would make a super cute gift, and then somebody could put it on their desk or on their dresser, and they could move them around each day or even each month, and that would be a super cute gift.
I can stay till the morning, stay till the dawn, but just hold me now. I wanna be so much better whenever
I guess I had gifts in mind for this video because this project also reminded me of like a super cute gift that you could give away. So I had some of these pots just kind of left over in my stash, and so this one was already painted white, but it's just a terracotta pot that I got from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to take the fall calendar page part, and I'm going to Mod Podge it to the front here. I do go ahead and put Mod Podge on the back, and then I go over it again with Mod Podge on the front so that it has a good seal. So this is super cute because you get some, you know, character to the pot, and you can have it customized for whatever season, because I'm using fall here, but you could also do spring or summer, and you can change out the type of arrangement. I'm just using some florals that I picked up from the Dollar Tree that are fall, and then I'm going to get them into the pot here, and then this project is complete.
and I wanna buy you, 'cause I can stay till the morning, stay till the dawn, but just hold me now.
So now that you've seen all the projects, don't forget to go down into my description box, check out how to win a calendar for yourself, and when you make a comment today, don't forget to use the secret word so that I can find you in the comments to give away the calendar. I'll be using the random comment picker for YouTube to pull my winners. As always, wherever you are in your journey is a perfect place to start, and I will see you in my next video.
I wanna be so much better whenever